All right, everyone. Welcome back to another video. And today, what I have for everyone is my fit and sound demo with the Google Pixel Bud A series budget earbuds from Google. So today in this video, we're going to go over a fitting demonstration. I'm going to talk about my experiences and give my opinions on the overall comfort. Then we're going to jump into two audio sample tests. The first one is going to be a leakage test, and then the second one is going to be a sound sample to the best of my ability, and then we're going to wrap this video up. So without further ado, let's jump straight into the video, and as always, I hope you guys and gals find it helpful. So starting off here, let's talk about the overall fit and how I have the buds set up and in my ears. Now, in terms of the overall fit, as you can see here, as I turn to my left, this is a shot of the right earbud. Now, if this is unclear, I'll throw up some B-roll in post. But in terms of the overall fit, I would have to say the fit on the Google Pixel Bud A series is top notch. Now, I left these stock earbud tips that came on the buds by default, but it does come with a small, a medium, and a large. And by default, I do believe it comes with the mediums already on the buds. All right. But the overall fit, in my opinion, is top notch. And again, check out the right earbud here. Nice, solid overall fit. And the sound isolation is pretty much okay, because I can still kind of hear myself talk even with nothing playing. But when I do start the music, I won't be able to hear myself talk at all. Now here is a shot of the left earbud, and again you can see more of the same. And again, in terms of the overall fit, I would have to say it is top notch. I haven't had any issues. Let me give y'all a close up here. Okay. And again, quick little shake test. Not coming out at all. So overall solid fit. And in terms of the overall comfort, I have to say the comfort on these is top notch as well. And I can easily wear these for extended periods without any ear discomfort or ear fatigue. So overall top notch fit and overall top notch comfort when we talk about the Google Pixel Buds Series 8. All right, now let's jump into the overall sound samples. Starting off here, we're going to start off with a leakage test. But real quickly before we do the leakage test, I just want to let everyone know I will have a close-up of the buds thrown up somewhere in the video for you guys and gals to check out if you want a nice close-up of the buds so you can see what they look like. Look for that. I'll have that thrown up somewhere in the video for y'all to check out. And I do have some of my homeboys' music pulled up that we're going to use to test the leakage and give y'all a sound sample. Shout out to my good friend Two Phones, aka Two Phones for free, for providing the music here. I'll provide a link to his YouTube channel down below, as well as his Sound Nation down below. Go ahead and give him a subscribe. Go ahead and give him a follow and let him know that your boy E Drummond done sent you over there. Greatly appreciate it. He's a really talented content creator, and he drops some really solid videos on the daily. Can't say anything more. Go ahead, drop him a sub, go ahead and drop him a follow, and check out his music and check out his content. Again, I'll link up his channel down below. But this is what we're going to have pulled up and used for the testing in today's video. And again, I'll have all the B-roll of this thrown up in post, so y'all can indeed verify that the earbuds are connected to my iPhone. Y'all can indeed verify that I do have these set to 100% volume. All that stuff y'all need to know will be thrown up in some B-roll in post, because y'all know I'm all about keeping it straight 100 around here. So without further ado, let's jump into the first of two sound samples. Let's jump into a leakage test. And for reference here, I am using my professional clip-on microphone, and it is less than a foot away from my mouth. And because the earbuds are at max volume, it should have no problems picking up any leakage coming off of the buds. So y'all let me know how the buds perform in these tests. Okay, that's enough talking. Let's get going. So let me go ahead and push play. And we're going to let it play for a little bit and see how it does. Here we go. okay. Let me pause that. All right, so hopefully y'all got an idea of the amount of leakage that comes off of the earbuds. Now, giving y'all my overall opinions on the overall sound quality, the volume, and the bass on the Pixel Bud A series. Now, in terms of the overall sound quality, I would have to say Google has done a top-notch job. Really good top-notch sound quality on these. Really no distortion at max volumes or low volumes, no crackling or poppiness whatsoever. So top-notch overall sound quality in my opinion. Talking about the overall volume on these, again, it's more of the same. Okay, top-notch overall volume. With these turned on and with them set to 75% or better, I really can't hear anything but what I'm listening to with the buds. So top-notch overall volume with the Pixel Bud A series in my overall opinion. Now, talking about the overall bass. The bass on these, I would have to say, is just good. Okay, now you can feel it, it is noticeable, but in my opinion, it is missing a little bit of punch. And just so y'all know, I did pick one of Bro's more bass heavy and bass hitting tracks because I am a lover of all things bass. So of course I had to find a heavy bass hitting track to use. And although I could hear the bass and really notice it, it was really missing out on a little bit of that extra punch there, that little bit of extra grit, so you can really feel the music. Now, inside of the settings on the Google Buds A series, they do have a bass slider. Now, I left it on what it came on by default, which is, I do believe it comes on either 1 or 0 by default inside of the application. I'll show you guys in the full review how to tweak that. But this is just using the buds at 100% volume, exactly how they come on out of the box. So we didn't tweak any settings. And for me, the overall bass on these is just good. It definitely needs a little bit of improvement. Okay. Now, that's my overall thoughts on the overall sound quality, the volume, and the bass on these. So again, let me reiterate, overall sound quality, top notch. Overall volume, top notch. Overall bass, good. Okay. Now, let me rewind the track. Okay. And let me attempt to give you guys and gals a sound sample to the best of my ability. Okay. So the best way to do this is for me to push play first. Now I've disabled the touch controls. So there are no touch controls, and we really have minimum controls when we're using iPhone, and I am using my iPhone here today. So we only really have the touch controls on iOS when we're using it inside of music supported touch control applications like Pandora, like Spotify, like YouTube Music. That's the only time you have music controls or touch controls when you're using an iOS device. Other than that, you do need to be using an Android device, and you download the Google Pixel Buds application. I'll link that down below in the video description. But let me start the music. Okay. And then let me hold this up to the mic. Let me hold the earbuds up to the mic and give y'all a sound sample. Here we go. That's 1. And that's 2. And let me hold it up. And we're going to do this for about 30 seconds, starting now. Okay, let me give y'all 10 more seconds. I want to make sure y'all get a good sample. Okay, that should do it. Put this back in. And put this back in. And let's pause the music. All right, and there you guys and gals have it. So this was a real quick fitting demonstration and a real quick sound sample for the Google Pixel Buds Series A. So the budget line of Pixel Buds from Google. I hope you guys and gals enjoyed this video. I hope you guys and gals found it helpful. If you did enjoy the video and or you found it helpful, please help your boy out by giving the video a thumbs up. If you would like to see more content like this, also feel free to hit that subscribe button down below and make sure you click off the notification bell icon right next to it so you guys and gals get notified when I publish new videos. That being said, if this video piqued your interest, all the links to my extended coverage on these here Pixel Buds A's, as well as where y'all can pick up the buds for yourself at some really great prices, will be linked up down below in the video description, and the video description will contain affiliated buy links. Meaning that I do get a small percentage of kickback when you guys and gals use those links, but that's at no additional cost to you guys and gals. So in my opinion, that makes using those affiliated links a win-win for everyone, in my opinion. So as always, if your interest is piqued, down below in the video description will be like a one-stop shop for you guys and gals, and you should be good to go. All right, y'all. Today's video was recorded using the front and rear facing cameras on the Samsung Galaxy S10e in 1080p at 30 FPS, and we are using professional studio lights here today to light up the whole scene. So please let me know what y'all think of the overall lighting. Please let me know what y'all think of the overall microphone performance. We are using a professional clip-on microphone to record all the audio. Please let me know how y'all feel about the overall video in general, how the buds performed. Please leave all that feedback down below. As always, all feedback is greatly appreciated. And remember to keep it respectful, please. All right, I hope everyone is having a great day. Hope you guys and gals are staying safe out there, and I will catch everyone in the next one. We are out of here, everyone. Have a good one. Peace.